Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. We're going to today we are going to catch some oders in MeepCity, as you can see. But we're going to play other games. So as you can see, starting Roblox. Also, my Roblox name is Izacream, IZZA, and cream. Hopefully you know how to spell cream. My TikTok, if you have TikTok, go follow me. My name is IZZA Cream. No spaces, no any of that. It's the same thing as my username right here. Iza Cream. It's supposed to be, like Roy's best friend, Iza, and stuff like that. It's supposed to be like that, like it's just ice cream. So I'm trying to get MeepCity to load. If you subscribe and like this video, you are a true member of my squad, Iza Cream Squad. Also, if you follow me on TikTok, you're gonna shout out and a follow and a spam. I like to spam everyone. But if you follow me, not spam me. So go follow me. If you have hopefully my account doesn't get deleted. Everyone's account, the video is still deleted, so if your account and video got deleted, I'm so sorry, but I will meet you in MeepCity after my thing loads. Well, the tab's right here. So when my screen loads, I'll meet you. So you're gonna see my apps because I never played this game. So, well, actually, I already loaded. Let's just go in here. And if you're wondering why my name's Ashley's Cat, it was for a TikTok video and it was really funny. So, like funny to me. So when my screen app loads, I'm going to meet you back so we can become oders and catch some oders in different games. Peace. Okay, so my screen has fully loaded and we're just going to edit the avatar. So, I don't have to look like this, so I look like boys on like Roblox, like they're girls, and like we're gonna like cute and stuff, and I'll come right back when I'm done. So I'm going to stop this. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to change my name that I'm actually having. We're going to change it to maybe Ashley. Now we're going to change it to Leah. And we're gonna do like those girls out. Leah single. No, actually we're gonna pretend like we're cute. So single cute needs a cute boy. So we're gonna save that. So now we're going to go to a party and we're going to see if anyone wants us so we can catch some oders, which will be very exciting. So we're just going to go to a party, and we're gonna try to find a cute boyfriend. I'm gonna say, oh, can we date or something like that. So also, disclaimer, I'm not actually an oder. I do not do this. It's just, like thing. Like I forgot what it's called, like just something. So I will see you guys at the party. Okay, so I went into the party and my thing was really lagging. So right now we're just going to go to the playground and find someone. Oh my god! Can you do a boyfriend? No, you're good. I'm just doing this for YouTube. So I go to the playground. I'm not gonna show the full playground. I only have 2, 4, 4, 58. So I'm not gonna do the 4, the whole thing. but we're just going to ask people. So when I go up to someone, I'm going to vote. Okay, so I have to speak louder because my mom is like talking on the phone. Also because you cannot hear me. So also I sound like a little kid. I kind of am, but I don't like. I'm not a 6-year-old. So we're going to look for someone that has like the same thing. So like we're gonna try to like look like for someone like S or like one of those boys that like these two girls. So we're just going to find someone, hopefully, and we're just gonna say in the chat ABC for her. Like, you know how people always do that. So we can ABC. Everything's still in caps. ABC for a girl. So this is really weird because literally I'm doing it and I hate odors. So yeah. Let's just say it's so yeah, because I hate when always expose people. I just have to expose myself. I'll just be this girl. Okay, so sure. Oh my god, this girl's annoying. I'm just not gonna do anything to her. Yes, I just cracked my neck. Anyway, we're just going to find someone else. We're going to find someone else. I don't think anyone wants to do anything because, yeah. What about Ash? Are they dating? At a party, I saw someone ordering, but I just needed to see anyone's dating here, so. Great, I have to roleplay. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm just going to pause here. Yep. So, you know how everyone says MeepCity has a lot of odors? Not really. I know how to go fishing. Played this game many times, but not on this account. But anyway, go follow my TikTok and go subscribe, like this video. My TikTok is at Isaac Cream, IZZA Cream. Hopefully you don't spell cream. And go subscribe. And I'm just going to, yeah, this girl after. So I'm gonna be her mom, and I hate roleplay. So like, don't listen to people because obviously I couldn't find anyone in here. Yeah, there was, well, I saw people odering. I don't know if they're odering, but I don't know if they know people, like if they know them in real life. So, he caps lock. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. If you see an odor, just comment in the comments. I did not find any odors at all. Like, I don't know how, but like, mostly you can see odors. Like, that's the biggest thing. It's maybe in the parties, but I couldn't find them like around the party clapping things. So yeah, so we're gonna come with another video next time. Peace. subscribe, follow my TikTok, and like.